So I'm going to show you how to use the extruder and how to set it up correctly. So in here will be everything we need. So we're going to use the small die. If you're going to use the big die, you'll need to find me. We're going to need this guy. We're going to need the same size nuts and the bolts to go with those nuts. I think this one and this one. Nope. Okay, so we're gonna need these. And then we'll need whatever die you want to put in there. So if you want a tube, you can use this guy. And then this guy will block off 3 of them. So if you want like a little tube, you want a big tube. Jessica, you want a hollow tube?
Snail shell.
A snail shell. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this guy on here like this. And then this is a separator, so this will make like a hole in the piece if you just set it up that way. So put this guy in here like so. And then this sits like this. It sits in there. So what happens is the clay goes around here, pushes through, and then it'll make this hollow noise. It's pretty cool, I know. Alright, so now we can set it up. A wrench is helpful, and there should be an Allen wrench up on this shelf. If it's not here, it means somebody stole it and then come find me. Okay? So, alright, come on over, Jessica.
Hey, how do you use this guy?
I'm making a video on how to use it. Alright. So, I like to put the bolts to the top. Make sure it's clean in there. This all needs to go up. And then screw the nuts on as far as you can. And once you got one side on, the other side kind of stays there. Okay. And now we're going to grab this guy. And just pull the nut in the bottom and tighten it up. You want it pretty snug. Not so snug that you're not going to be able to get it undone, but like pretty good. Because you're going to have to undo all of this when you clean it.
I've been walking around doing nothing. Hey, can I wear these, man?
Yeah. Okay, so that's on there, it's not going anywhere. To use this, I'm gonna get the biggest chunk of clay I can to fit in here, and you're gonna wanna make sure it's a solid piece. If you put like little pieces in there, like one at a time, you're gonna get air bubbles, and then it will come out really uneven and not look nice. So you wanna make sure that they're super together. Once you get all of the pieces out, you want to lay them on a board so they can get on hard. You need to take everything apart and then clean it with a sponge so everything is wet, and then this thing needs to get cleaned and then put back into the cabinet. It's a lot of work to use, but if you were to make this like round piece, it would take you like 3 class periods to do what you could do in one. It's just like a lot of work to like clean up and get ready, but it's a time saver in the long run. So this takes like a whole class period to use, but it's worth it in the long run.